Welcome to this video demonstration of connecting up a smartphone via USB in a Ford Fiesta. The first thing we want to do is connect the phone. So in a Fiesta, down below the gear lever, you've got the USB input, so plug one end of your cable into that. The other end is obviously going to go into your phone. So for the purposes of this, we're using an iPhone device, but obviously any smartphone with music on it or iPod will do exactly the same thing. First thing to note is that it will charge your device, which is fantastic, firstly. Saves for in-car chargers, and it will automatically start playing whatever song you last had on, I suppose, on your device. So you can see that playing there, and if we turn up the volume, you'll better hear it playing as well. You can see underneath that, when the volume clears, you can see it says Options, Browse, Info, and then you have a play and pause button on the far right there. Those symbols or those words relate to these four buttons just here. So for example, if I want to browse music, I will hit that button, second one in from the left. And when we do that, we're then given a list there. And in fact, if I show you these arrows so you know what I'm doing, we can use these arrows to go down, highlight all songs, artists, albums, genres. So for example, if we went to artists, we will then get a list of all the different artists that are on this device. So if we went there, for argument's sake, you'll then get a list of albums. So we'll highlight that album, and then you'll get a list of songs that are on that album. So if we hit the OK button for that song, that will then come on, and you can see it starting to play. And if we turn up the volume, you'll hear it playing as well. Now obviously this is fantastic because although you have a CD player in this car, CDs take up a lot of space. Depending on the size of your phone or iPod or iPad or whatever device you're plugging in, you can hold thousands of songs on that one device. And as you can see, you don't actually need to touch the device to operate the songs at all. You can do it all off of the car stereo, so really fantastic.